Student, let's discuss some numbers of exercise 4.1. Chapter name is simple equation. So let's start. Here number 4 is write equation for the following statement. There are some statement. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. We have to convert this statement into mathematical terms. So x and 4, summation of x and 4 is x plus 4, each means equal sign 9. So x plus 4 is equal to 9. Next, 2 subtracted from y is 8. Here we have to subtract 2 from y. So equation become y minus 2 is means equal sign, then 8, right hand side 8. So y minus 2 is equal to 8. Next is 10 times a is 70. 10 times a means 10 into a. 10a is mean equal sign, 10a is equal to 70. Next, the number b divided by 5 gives 6. So b divided by 5, then expression become b divided by 5 gives means equal is 6. So b divided by 5 or b upon 5 is equal to 6. 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 of means 3 by 4. 3 upon 4 of means into. You can put into sign. Of t means 3 by 4 into t is 15. Or you can write 3 by 4 t is equal to 15. Into symbol is not necessary to write here. Okay. Next, 7 times m plus 7 you get you 77. 7 times m means 7m. 7 times m, 7m plus, you can put plus symbol, then plus 7. So 7m plus 7 gets you means equal. Gives, gets you, that means equal is equal to 77. 77 here. So you can put 77. So equation becomes 7n plus 7 is equal to 77. Next, 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. First, 1/4 of a number x means 1 by 4 or 1 upon 4 of number x means x into x minus 4. Minus 4 means you can put negative sign. 4 gives 4. Gives 4. We can write is equal to 4 or 1 by 4x, that is equal to 1 into x, x by 4 minus x minus 4 is equal to 4. Next, if you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. Take away 6 from 6 times y means 6 times y, 6y. Take away 6, that means minus 6. You get 60 is equal to 60. Remember, take away, minus, that means we can put negative sign. Next, if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, you get 30. 1/3 of z means 1 by 3 z. Then add 3 plus 3, you get how much? 30. You get means is equal to 30. Or you can write z by 3 plus 3 is equal to 30. 1 into z is z. So we can write z by 3 plus 3 is equal to 30. Next, write the following equation in statement form. Here it is the equation p plus 4 is equal to 15. In left hand side, the sum of numbers p plus 4 is equal to 15. That means is 15 or gives 15. The sum of numbers p and 4 is 15. Next, m minus 7 is equal to 3. Subtract 7 from m is 3. Next, 2m is equal to 7. We can write 2 times m is 7. Okay, 2m means 2 times m is 7 here. Next, m by 5 is equal to 3. The number m is divided by 5 gives 3. Okay, m by 5 be the number m is divided by 5. You can write. Next, 3m divided by 5 is equal to 6. 3/5 of the number m is 6. Okay, 3 by 5 you can write 3/5 of the number m is 6. Next, 3p plus 4 equal to 25. The 3 times of p plus 4 gets 25. Next, 4p minus 2 is equal to 18. If you take 2 away, if you take away 2 from 4 times p, 4p means 4 times p, you get 18. Next, p by 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. We can write if you add half of a number p to 2, you get 8. P by 2 means half of the number p to 2 means plus 2, and we get 8 is equal to 8. Next, 6 number, set up an equation in the following cases. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than the 5 times of the marble Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. So Irfan says 7 marbles more than the 5 times of the marble Parmeet has. परमित के पास जितना मार्बल्स है, इरफान के पास 5 टाइम्स प्लस 7 marbles हैं. So total marble is 37. So let Parmeet marble be m, Irfan marble be 5m plus 7, and total is 37. So equation become 5m plus 7 equal to 37. Next, Lakshmi's father 49 years old. He is 4 years older than Lakshmi's age. Then set up the equation. Let the Lakshmi age to be y years, and his father is 3 times older than the 4 years older than the 3 times Lakshmi's age. So 3 times means 3y, 4 year older means 3y plus 4. So but Lakshmi father has total 49 years. So equation become 3y plus 4 equal to 49. The teacher tells the class has the highest mark obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest mark plus 7. Find the highest score. The highest score is 87. Take the lowest score be L. Highest score is given by 87 twice class is twice lowest mark plus 7. So lowest mark 12 plus 7 is equal to 87. You can take here lowest mark is L. So twice the lowest mark 12 plus 7 means 12 plus 7, that is equal to 87. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. So this is an isosceles triangle and vertex angle is here and these are the base angle. Let base angle to be B, taken to be B. Vertex angle be twice of its base angle. So vertex angle be 2B. Okay. And sum of all total angle is, measurement is 180. Let the base angle be B and vertex angle be 2B and angle sum of triangle is 180. So equation become base angle, दो base angle B plus B and one vertex angle 2B. So B plus 2B equal to 180 degree. These are the like terms. So B plus 2B is 4B is equal to 180 degree. So that's all for today. Thank you.